SERV Robotics and DoorDash are teaming up to spread the glory of robot food delivery. It begins in Los Angeles and is set to roll out across the rest of the U.S. later, with the goal of increasing the volume of deliveries handled by SERV's robots. Previously, SERV operated solely through Uber Eats since 2021, but this new deal allows them to tap into DoorDash's vast customer base. The partnership will help SERV scale its operations by targeting cities where DoorDash holds a dominant market share, maximizing the usage of its growing fleet. SERV CEO Ali Kashani emphasized that the company is keen to meet the demand for automated last-mile delivery services. With over 100,000 deliveries completed across multiple cities, including Los Angeles, Miami, and Chicago, SERV expects to significantly boost its revenue and further cement its position in the autonomous delivery market. And despite still being in its growth phase, SERV's dual-platform strategy with both DoorDash and Uber is expected to reduce idle time for its robots and improve profitability over time. The timing of the partnership is particularly significant as DoorDash recently unveiled its own delivery robot, Dot, showcasing a growing commitment to autonomous delivery technology. Kashani views this development as a sign of validation for SERV's mission, noting that both major platforms are now investing heavily in automation. SERV also announced a $100 million registered direct offering set to close around October 14th. Agreeing to sell 6.25 million shares of its common stock to institutional investors, with the proceeds aimed at supporting general corporate purposes, including working capital. Like SERV, SoundHound AI sustains optimism in these turbulent times following its deepened partnership with Apivia Cordage, a part of AEMA Group, to deploy its Amelia 7 agentic AI platform in contact centers. The collaboration builds on an existing partnership that resulted in a 20% productivity boost at Apivia's contact centers, with SoundHound's AI handling thousands of calls related to medical reimbursements and insurance details. The new deployment will allow Apivia to automate tasks such as identity verification, contract queries, personal information updates, and scheduling meetings with human advisors. Amelia 7's advanced capabilities in reasoning and multi-intent interactions improve customer self-service and enhance efficiency, enabling Apivia to manage call volumes effectively. The deployment is part of Apivia's broader digital transformation, which is showcased at the CRWV conference in Cannes, France. This collaboration also strengthens SoundHound's position in high-value, regulated industries like insurance, and validates the readiness of its AI solutions for enterprise-scale applications. Growth is further supported by its recent acquisition of Interactions, a leader in AI for customer service, which aims to boost profitability and expand capabilities in conversational AI. This builds on SoundHound implementing AI-powered phone ordering across Red Lobster locations, and it expands its healthcare footprint with Primary Health Solutions to deploy a speech and text-based AI patient engagement platform, helping to broaden AI adoption across more sectors, positioning it as a key player in the growing enterprise AI market. Sticking with healthcare and AI, Tempus AI has been selected by the Advanced Research Projects Agency for Health, ARPA-H, to support the ADAPT Advanced Analysis for Precision Cancer Therapy program. The initiative aims to revolutionize cancer treatment by developing adaptive strategies that leverage biomarkers to target metastatic diseases like non-small cell lung, breast, and colorectal cancers. The program focuses on integrating computational models and novel biomarkers to detect tumor evolution and resistance, enabling more informed treatment adjustments. Tempus will contribute its AI-powered diagnostics such as XE, XR, XF+, and XM, along with its contract research organization, CRO services, through its Compass platform, to manage clinical trials across multiple sites. It will also assist in data integration to collect and harmonize study data, playing a key role in accelerating the development of personalized, adaptive cancer therapies. Tempus CEO Eric Lefkowski emphasized that the company's molecular profiling and data integration capabilities, combined with its CRO services, make it uniquely positioned to drive forward this transformative initiative. By enabling the identification of new resistant traits in tumors and predicting the best therapies for patients at each stage of their treatment, Tempus aims to support ARPA-H in developing therapies that can respond dynamically to the evolving nature of metastatic cancer. This partnership strengthens Tempus' reputation in high-value sectors like oncology, where demand for precision, data-driven therapies is growing, aligning with the broader strategy of integrating large-scale, real-world clinical and molecular data with AI insights to enhance cancer care. In recent developments, Tempus also secured FDA 510(k) clearance for its CRWV device, a RNA-based tool designed to help identify patients likely to respond to specific cancer therapies. This approval enhances Tempus' ability to commercialize oncology diagnostics, which are crucial for revenue growth. The ARPA-H collaboration and regulatory advancements, like the CRIVD clearance, validate Tempus' AI-driven platform and position it for continued growth in the precision medicine field. While the ARPA-H partnership is a positive step for Tempus, challenges remain, particularly around gaining reimbursement and approval for new assays and managing competition in the diagnostics and data space. However, the company's robust data library and expanding AI capabilities position it as a key player in the future of personalized cancer therapies. Then, in the world of AI infrastructure, CoreWeave recently launched Serverless RL, a fully managed platform designed to streamline the training of reinforcement learning (RL) agents, making RL more accessible to businesses by removing barriers related to complex infrastructure and high setup costs. The platform allows users to scale RL training across multiple GPUs, offering a simple setup that only requires a weights and biases account and API key. The serverless RL platform has demonstrated impressive performance, delivering training speeds that are nearly 1.4 times faster and 40% more cost-efficient than traditional local H100 GPU environments, without compromising model quality. This efficiency is achieved by addressing the straggler problem through multiplexing across CoreWeave's cloud infrastructure, allowing enterprises, startups, and research labs to focus on building AI agents without worrying about managing the technical complexities of GPU resources. Early adopters of serverless RL include SquadStack.ai, an AI-powered contact center platform, and QA Wolf, a software testing company. John Pearl, CEO of QA Wolf, highlighted how the platform could improve agent quality while alleviating the burden of managing infrastructure. This product release comes at an opportune time, following CoreWeave's recent acquisition of OpenPipe, which enhances its RL capabilities, as well as its integration with weights and biases, a tool used by AI developers for model development. CoreWeave also made headlines with the announcement of its acquisition of Monolith AI, a software company specializing in AI and machine learning for complex physics and engineering problems, further strengthening its AI cloud infrastructure, positioning it to offer a comprehensive platform that accelerates research and product development cycles for industries like manufacturing. Despite concerns regarding profitability in the GPU cloud business, analysts, including Evercore ISI, have reiterated a positive outlook on CoreWeave, highlighting the durability and scalability of its business model, particularly as it expands into AI-driven industries. By simplifying reinforcement learning and expanding its capabilities through strategic acquisitions, CoreWeave is well-positioned to lead the next wave of AI innovation, offering critical solutions to enterprises seeking to leverage AI at scale. especially as integration of simulation, machine learning, and cloud infrastructure is set to drive efficiency and innovation, particularly in AI-driven R&D and product design. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.